Next, we have mounting holes for this PCB. So let's create that and then add a new component. We'll call this 3P2 millimeter. That's how I like to name my mounting holes, just because it's easy to remember. We need to know whether the mounting hole is plated or not. They do not look plated, so it's just mounting hole. I think I'll call this NP for non-plated. And then the designator would be mounting hole MHPN, yeah, question mark. Comment would be mounting hole non-plated, 3.2 millimeter. Make this not visible. And Control C. Drill hole, yeah. Cool. Footprint. We don't have a footprint for it yet. That's fine. Let's go ahead and place a circle or ellipse, as it would be called. And on the lower left, press tab to pause placement. Hit tab then. Let's see what property options we get. The border would be the smallest. That's fine. Fill color. I like that. All right, cool. Go ahead and do that. For my ellipse, I'll just do it like this size. And then, yeah. So that's you click to start the ellipse, the start point. You click again to place the other side of the ellipse. So this is the start point, this is the width. And then you click, you move again or to seal in the height. Now we need to place do we need to place a pin really? No, because it doesn't have a pad. Right. Well, let's go ahead and place this right here in the center. And then I will give this a footprint. But before I do that, save it. Save. Now we'll add a footprint. Oh, but a footprint needs to actually exist. So hit cancel and then go to your PCB.lib. This is your standard local thing. We'll add a footprint. All we need is a 3.2 millimeter hole. Go to place, add. Hit tab. Layer will be mechanical. It's fine. Designator. I'm not going to have a designator. Shape, round. Let's see. That's the pad stack. But you know what? Actually, let me change this category from mechanical to multi-layer, because I do want it to go through all the layers. I still don't want a designator. For the electrical type load, yeah, that's fine. That's the location. For the pad stack, round, okay. I'm going to give this the same dimensions as the hole. Actually, I'll make this smaller. 3.0 maybe? Hey, you know what? Let's make it 1 millimeter. Yeah. This may not be the optimal way to make a mounting hole, but I know this works. Because it'll drill through the pad. right? Right mouse button to end that. And the name is weird. So let's double click on here, change the name to mounting hole non-plated 3.2 millimeter or 3P2 millimeter. Non-plated. Well, first of all, let's put the noun first. Mounting hole. Non-plated 3.2 millimeter hole or drill. Type mechanical. Height, nothing. Area. Maybe let's make this 3.5 millimeters by 3.5 millimeters. 12.25 square millimeter. Hit tab, click OK. I'm going to click on this pad again just to make sure my properties are correct. 3.2, okay. What I'll do now is place an outline and maybe a package keep out, but let's place a line and hit tab. I will do top overlay. Let's continue. 3.5 millimeters. So I want to go in the negative direction, half of 3.5. That would be, let's see, 3.5 divided. It's like probably 1.75, right? Okay, cool. Negative 1.75. Great. And in the y direction, I want to go negative 1.75. Yes. Then 1.75 in the x direction. Right click to end mode. Now I can click on here and then move this out a bit. Click on this line, move this. Man, I really love how easy this is. So easy. Ah, this is really gonna bother me. Thank you. And it's still uneven. I can tell that it's uneven on this left side here. Great. Let's save everything. The name of this footprint is MTHN, so on and so forth. Let's go back to our schematic. Add footprint. No. There we go. Click OK. Okay again. Great. Save all. Very good. This mounting hole is finished.